Hi, my name is Brianna Wisby, and this is my final project. The company I chose was Blaze Pizza. I chose Blaze Pizza because I like Blaze Pizza, and I thought it would be cool to just figure out why they chose certain things in their company. So I actually sat down with the general manager, and he was kind enough to answer these questions for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first question. The first question is, from a legal perspective, what type of business entity is your favorite firm or startup? So, Blaze Pizza is actually a limited liability company, and this means that it is a company whose primary characteristics are that it offers its principals the same amount of liability protection afforded to principals of a corporate form of entity, and it offers pass-through tax treatments with restrictions on ownership. So, I think it ended up benefiting them to be an LLC. That is why they chose it. For the next question, it actually asks, what is the firm's most important contract or contractual relationship? So basically, with Blaze, the general manager, he basically said that their most important contract or relationship is their contracts with their food suppliers. So he basically said they have contracts with different food suppliers. There's not just one. And the main terms of agreement is that they have to meet their deadlines to comply with the contract. So this means deadlines on their food orders. That was the most important thing. The next question was, what is the firm's most valuable type of intellectual property? So he told me that Blaze actually has a lot of different trademarks. So some of their trademarks are Fast Fire, the horizontal logo design, the round emblem design, and they have different names like the Pizza Smith, the Pizza Olo, Simple Pie, Red Vine, Veg Out, Art Lover, Meat Eater, and a couple others that they own. The next question says, who is the firm's most essential or important agent? So I asked the manager this, and he basically told me that it will have to be their suppliers. He told me that that is the heart of the company, and maintaining a good relationship and being in compliance with them is actually, if there is no food, then how can the company run? So that was the most essential agent to them. The next question actually says, what is the most important lawsuit or potential lawsuit the firm is facing today? So basically, when I spoke to the manager, he basically said the firm isn't currently facing any lawsuits that he knows of, but he said that if it was a lawsuit that could possibly happen or potentially happen, he said it will probably be because of like safety hazards, like if someone fell or something to that sort. He basically said if a customer like fell in the store and they brought the suit to court, then in that case, the the customer would be the plaintiff because they're bringing the suit to court, and Blaze Pizza would in return be the defendant, defending themselves in this case. So we hope those things don't happen, but right now they're not facing any lawsuits, so that's great. The last and final question was, what is the firm's ethical culture like? So basically, when I asked the manager this, he stated that the ethical culture is kind of like they just want to provide a fun and friendly environment for their customers. They also want to provide that environment for their employees, which is very important to them. With Blaze, it's a very interactive experience. You actually have someone putting your toppings as you go on the pizza, and then they put it into a fast-fired like grill type thing. So he basically said that was just the most important thing, making sure the customers are having fun, the employees are having fun, and it's overall a great experience. This class has been very informative for me, and I had a lot of fun doing this project, and that's it.